There's vehicles that get lots of people from place to place, and then there's vehicles that look incredible. Today's van, which is appropriately named Clifford, can do both. Hey everyone, it's Caroline over at TOURIG, and before we get into today's tour, just wanted to say that if you like watching these build walkthroughs and want to stay up to date on all of our new and educational content, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you've already liked it, leave a comment on what you'd like to see more videos about. Now, let's jump into the tour. Clifford was designed to move people from point A to B and do it in style. This van comes equipped with a 600 amp hour lithium battery system, 12 volt off-grid air conditioner, 30 gallons of water, and my favorite feature, our smart floor. All the seats in the van can be rearranged or removed from the vehicle depending on what kind of adventure you're going on. Clifford comes with the spare tire ladder combo from Owl Vans. This is a great feature to have because it's freeing up your spare tire cage that is underneath the vehicle. With the tire up here on the rear door, we can either install an extra water tank or we can even install a storage compartment that's hidden. Not only do we have this great feature, but also from Owl Vans, we have the B2 large expedition box and the pegs that come with it. Up here on the pegs, you can install max tracks or a bike carrier. In the box, this is a great place to put stuff that you don't want inside the van on the exterior. But we also have the bumper and roof rack combo as well. This is gonna come from Backwoods Adventure Mods, and I love their upgraded bumpers because it gives you a lot of added protection, some exterior lighting, and one of the great features is that they retain the sensors that are factory from Mercedes-Benz. This is the Backwoods Slimline roof rack. This roof rack's awesome because it's a giant platform. You can stand up here, watch sunsets, or you could also mount all of your rooftop amenities up here. It provides protection for our max fan and our air conditioner, and also we have our solar panels up here. Behind me, we also have a cell booster, and in the front, we have a light bar. TOURIG is going to install a 32-inch tire on all of our vans. This is going to keep down your road noise, and it's also Mercedes-Benz approved. For the wheel, we have a 17-inch black Rhino, and then of course, our Agile Rip Kit suspension. On this van specifically, we have a Stage 3. We installed a Stage 3 on this one because it's getting you from point A to B. You're going to be doing a lot of highway travel in this van. For that, we want to make sure that you have your secondary aux shock in the front. Also, you have an upgraded leaf spring to help support all of the weight that we're installing. TOURIG's #1 choice for a side step on a van is coming from Illumines. This is the Illumines Nerf bar. We like these because they're static. You're never going to be dealing with malfunctions from ice buildup or a rock digging your side step. Additionally, this is still going to give you about 12 inches of clearance with the Agile suspension kit and upgraded wheel and tire. Clifford was originally built for a large family commonly traveling from Denver to Steamboat. If you've ever driven in Colorado, you know you need to watch out for animals, and sometimes you might be driving in some harsh weather conditions. To help with that, TOURIG recommended a large lighting system on this van. From the top, we have a rigid light bar. Moving to the hood, we have our ditch lights from Baja Designs. And then to the grille, we have our Baja LP9s. Clifford, our big red van, wasn't originally red. The original paint color is Arctic white. We did a vinyl red ref, and then on the hood here, we did a PPF. That's a paint protection film. This is really important to keep the exterior of your van looking nice and clean. It's going to protect it from sun damage and rock chips. Up in the front, we replaced the front bumper with a CA-tuned hammerhead. I love this bumper because it's nice and sleek, it gives you this great bull bar, and you also have a spot to install a winch, which Clifford did have installed. This is a Warn 16,000-pound winch, and it's controlled by a remote. The first thing you're going to notice when you pop open the door on Clifford is all of our Scheelman seating we have. Not only can you accommodate up to 9 passengers in this vehicle, but you can also remove all of the rear seating as well. This is a great feature to have if you see your van being a multi-purpose vehicle. Maybe you're using it for work, maybe you're using it to transport your family. This Smart Floor from RRE Global is going to help you achieve all of those things. You'll notice all of the Scheelman seats have this awesome bracketing on the bottom. This is what makes it compatible with our Smart Floor. On the back, we have our lever, which we pull to release it from the track. And then when you're ready to move it, they have wheels on the back, and that's going to help you either take it out of the vehicle or rearrange it inside of the vehicle. These are imported from Germany, and they are adjustable in a multitude of ways. Not only that, but you can pick from a multitude of colors, and it can go on a Smart Floor seat base, or you can put this on a static seat base for a passenger, or these can even be installed in the driver and passenger seats in the upper cab. In a 170 wheelbase van, and especially one that can accommodate up to 9 passengers, you're going to want to make sure that everybody's comfy and cozy the entire travel time. To ensure comfort, TOURIG has installed a Webasto heating system right in the passenger seat base. You'll notice that Clifford was set up in kind of an airplane style way. Every passenger is going to have all of the amenities they need right at their fingertips. From omnidirectional fans, reading lights, USB outlets, storage from TOURIG, and 110 outlets. No camper van is complete without some storage. Every TOURIG is going to get our classic headliner shelf that's going to be upholstered in the same colors that you choose in your design consultation. This hanger bar works perfectly with the TOURIG bunker cab curtain. That curtain can be installed over on the side, and then you pull it across to kind of separate the upper cab from the rear cab. Behind me, we're going to have the TOURIG airliner cabinetry. The original owners opted into a matte black that's textured. Inside, they chose the checkered wall upholstery. And on the ceiling, we have our ultra leather moon. I love the ultra leather moon with the upper cabinet lights from TOURIG. It really gives you an illusion that the van is quite a bit larger than it really is. Above me, we have our Nomadic 3000 air conditioner. This is going to be powered by the 600 amp hour lithium battery system that was installed by TOURIG. What I love about this air conditioner is that it's DC powered, or 12 volts. That means you don't have to use that extra power by turning on your inverter to use your air conditioner. In the back, we have the TOURIG 3-panel bed system with the matching 3-panel bed mattress. This is all made in-house at TOURIG. One of the best features of the TOURIG bed system is that it's all modular. That means we can remove panels, we can stack panels, and we can rearrange them as we please. The reason why I love this system so much is because you're never going to have those horror stories of, my bed was stuck on the ceiling when I got to the campsite. This is all going to be a manual process. The benefit of the modular bed in this specific build is that once we stack our bed panels, we can add more of our Scheelman chairs, or we can fully remove the panels and take the bed out completely, and then we can help our friend move his couch, or you can even throw a full motorcycle in here. If you're familiar with TOURIG's electrical systems, you'll notice that this one is a little bit different. For this van, since we wanted to keep it nice and sleek in order to accommodate up to 9 passengers, we did a tall and skinny electrical box. In order to accomplish this, we needed to make a special bracketing system for our 600 amp hour lithium system. You'll notice that our batteries are actually located in the front of the cab. Back here, we're looking at our inverter and control panel. While Clifford doesn't include a kitchen or an integrated shower, we did still want to include some sort of water capacities in this van. Over here, we have our water cabinet. Right here, we have our fill. Below that, we're going to have our spigot, or where we would connect the shower hose. Inside, we're gonna have about a 30-gallon water tank and a water pump. No hot water in this van, but it could be easily added. No passenger van is equipped unless you have an upgraded audio system. In this van, we upgraded the front speakers, added rear speakers in the rear doors, and we also added an amp in order to supply a little bit more power to all of those speakers. Below that, we're gonna have a cargo light so that when you're out here working, you have some lighting. Another hallmark of every TOURIG van is our rear bags. These are great for storing all of your water components or exterior components like air compressor hoses, tow straps, anything you might need. All right, guys, that wraps up another tour. If you're interested in this van, it is available for sale right now. If you want to get in contact with us, you can call us at our office or visit tourig.com. Thanks for watching.